Want to unlock incredible intimacy and confidence in just 5 minutes a day? Discover the secret to supercharging your bedroom game. Kegel workouts aren't just for women. These simple exercises build pelvic floor strength, boosting control and sensation for both partners. Forget old myths. Kegels are for everyone. Men benefit immensely, improving stamina and performance. First, find your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine stopping urine midstream. That's them. Now, squeeze for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. That's 1 rep. Keep breathing. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions 3 times a day. Consistency is key for amazing results. You can do Kegels anywhere, driving, watching TV, even at your desk. They're invisible. Try the Flutter technique. Rapidly contract and relax for 10 to 15 seconds. Great for stamina. The elevator. Contract slowly in stages, hold, then release slowly. Builds incredible control. Don't hold your breath or use other muscles like your glutes. Isolate that pelvic floor. Many report noticeable improvements in just a few weeks. Increased pleasure, enhanced confidence. Your partner will thank you. Kegels can lead to a more satisfying and connected experience for both of you. Beyond intimacy, Kegels improve bladder control and overall pelvic health. A win-win for life. Ready to transform your intimacy? Start your 5-minute Kegel routine today. No excuses.
Like this video and subscribe for more tips on health, fitness, and boosting your confidence. Invest in yourself. Invest in your pleasure. You deserve this new level of connection.